Today, we show how to erase apps from the iPhone. Now, first thing first, make sure the iPhone's powered up, right? Once the iPhone's powered up, you hit the home button and you put your passcode in. Now, what you want to do is two ways. You can either delete it directly, move app, and then it gives you the option to delete the app, remove it from home screen, or you can cancel. It says just removing it from home screen will have the app in your library, so it'll still be in your library. But if you delete it, you delete the app and its data, and you free up storage. Now the second way is this. You go down, go to general. Now what you want to do is go to storage. Now this is only a 64 gigabyte phone, so as you see, there's already over 50 gigabytes used. But you can enable these old conversations, delete them, delete the photos. You could delete the apps from here. Now you can offload it and reset the data and clear up some space. Or if you want, you could just hit it and then boom, this will fully delete the app for you. And that's how you delete the app off the iPhones. And it's pretty much the same for any other iPhone. But if you have any other questions or any other videos you would like to see, like, comment, subscribe, and put it in the comments.